Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. And today I was able to find something at my local Burlington. I have to be honest, Burlington has been coming up aces for me lately. They've had a ton of stock. Every holiday season, they tend to have stock that they don't normally have throughout the year. So whether it be box sets or just higher end designers, usually those will pop up during the holiday season. So my guess is that this one, I have never seen this at the rack store before. This is the first time I've seen it. So I had to grab it. It was a 50 ml, really great price. I have tried this scent a long time ago. So my memory of it is fuzzy, but it nonetheless, I remember liking it at the time. So scent we are talking about is Azzaro Wanted. And this, again, is a 50 ml that I picked up for $39.99. So as I always do, I am going to try this on a strip, see what I pick up from it, see what notes I get, and then I will pop it on skin and see how much it changes and ultimately let you guys know if this is worth your money. One thing I will say is that for the most part, this is the cheapest that I've been able to find it. So I will link this down below, the cheapest I can find it. But yeah, let's get into it. So here's the bottle for Azzaro Wanted. And they are definitely going with sort of the cowboy wanted theme here. So yeah, and I will say that this one is far less hyped than some of its flankers. Azzaro Wanted by Night, Azzaro the Most Wanted. These fragrances are talked about more frequently than Azzaro Wanted. Let's check out the atomizer. Okay, atomizer, nothing special. So let's see here. So I'm gonna try it off strip, see what I pick up. In the air, definitely picking up that sort of fruity cologne vibe. So really aromatic. It has this sort of shave foam type vibe to it a bit, masculine. But then quickly this warmth comes in, which I really like. Clean and spicy, fresh. I'm not picking up much citrus. Mostly what I'm picking up here is a sweetness. If it's a citrus, it's probably something like an orange or a mandarin orange, which I really like. That's my favorite top note from the citrus standpoint. It's reminding me of other things. Off of the strip, it doesn't smell of high quality. It's pretty mid in that department. But nice nonetheless. You can tell this is sort of a mid-level designer in terms of quality. It's a little bit green. That fruitiness really stands out. And I'm picking up, again, a lot of those aromatics that will remind you of like a really clean shaving cream, really masculine, but what's unique here is the addition of that fruitiness. It sort of modernizes a little bit. So if you're a guy that some of those shave foam type fragrances smell too sort of vintage to you or too old manish to you, this updates it a bit and is going to make it feel a little bit more modernized, a little bit more youthful. Yeah, really nice. It has a slight ambery. Again, I like that warmth. I like that combination of warm and spicy with those aromatics and that shave foam type vibe. Really nice. So, all right, let me get this on skin. Something is telling me it's going to pop. It smells like it really is going to be a projector. Yeah, let's get this on skin. I will take a look at the notes and let you guys know what's in here. So the notes for Azzaro Wanted, top notes are lemon, ginger, lavender, and mint. Mid notes are apple, juniper, watermelon, cardamom, and geranium. And the base notes are tonka bean, amberwood, and Haitian vetiver. So there was lemon in here and not orange. Probably what I'm picking up more of from the fruity standpoint is that apple. It doesn't stand out to me as apple on the strip. See what it does on skin. Those aromatics, lavender, mint, juniper, you know, even the geranium, those are definitely present. Again, working really in combination together to give you that masculine shave foam vibe, especially that lavender and the geranium. Yeah, there's something about this one that I really enjoy. It does have sort of an old school vibe to it, but again, modernized with that fruit. Smells much smoother off of the skin than what I was getting off a strip. So the quality just probably bumped up 5 points because, again, the strip doesn't do it justice in terms of the quality. This is just a really satisfying scent. I really enjoy the spice here. I'm picking up that Guatemalan cardamom. I can't say it's specifically from Guatemala, but the cardamom is there. It adds a little bit more of that fruity sweetness to it along with the spice. Something's telling me this is going to dry down into something really nice. I always wear these rack store pickups the week that I grab them, so I will talk more about this scent in my weekly wears video. I'll give you more of a sense of how it performed overall. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, be sure you do so. Drop a like on this video if you like what you see so far. Fruity, warm, spicy, clean smelling, masculine. This kind of checks all the boxes. I don't know why this one doesn't get talked about enough. Well, let's face it, the other flankers, they're more sweet. They're more current in terms of what is sort of being pushed on people right now from the designer standpoint. They just keep kicking up that sweetness. This is definitely for a guy, I would imagine, a little bit more mature, kind of has his crap together, working professional. This is going to fit most situations. What I really like about this one is I can see wearing this to the office and wearing this out in the evening. This is really signature scent worthy, in my opinion, just based on first impressions. Yeah, and as this dries down a bit, some of that sweetness is subsiding, and you're being left with more of that sort of barbershop fougere type scent. So overall, I think this is a nice one. I don't think it gets talked about enough. One thing that will put it over the top is performance. So I will let you guys know in my weekly wears what I got for performance. I'll be wearing this one today. I'm not wearing anything, so would love to know what you guys think of Azzaro Wanted. Is this one that you have in the collection? Is it one that you've wanted to try? Let me know in the comment section down below. What is your favorite Azzaro overall? Have you tried all of them? I know a lot of people's favorite is the Most Wanted, and I want to say that's the most recent release. I think they came out with a Parfum that I have not tried yet. Not sure, but if you guys like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.